That's Daddy Romeo and Mommy Concepcion. Can we give a warm round of applause, please, to this beautiful couple on stage? Because it takes a big blessing from the Lord to celebrate 50 years of blissful union or marriage. And as we move on to tonight's program, we will be formally welcomed by the eldest son of the couple. So may I request everybody to please give a warm round of applause to Mr. Romeo Makatula Jr. Sir?
Una po sa biyaya po ng Panginoon, ako po ay nagpapasalamat at nagtipon-tipon po tayo ngayon dito na alam ko na hindi po ganun kadali para sa inyo ang dumalo po dito. At alam ko din po, Panginoon, sa biyaya ng Panginoon, ang selebrasyon pong ito ng aking magulang, hindi lamang po sa anibersaryo, kundi ito rin po ay aming pasasalamat sa kanila. Sapagkat sa pagiging naging magulang po namin na sumuporta at gumabay, na hanggang ngayon po ay patuloy po kami ginagabayan kahit na po kami matatanda na. So babalikan ko lang po ang aming naging buhay nung kami po nung mga bata pa. Si nanay po ay natatay, kinasal po sila noong 1964. At nagkaroon po, yun nga po kanina, pinresent po kami ng 7 anak. Kami po yung panganay. At nagkaroon din po sila ngayon ng 16 na apo. Sa biyaya po din ng Panginoon at amin pong malaking pinasasalamat at alam po namin na hindi po lahat ng tao sa mundong ito ay maabot po sa ganitong okasyon. Kaya't sa Diyos lamang po ang papuri at pasasalamat. So ito na nga po yung buhay po namin nung araw. Talaga pong sadyang napakabuti sa amin ng Panginoon sapagkat lumaki po kami sa biyaya po ng talagang tunay na Diyos po. Ay dahil po sa magulang namin na hindi po nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Elementary lang po ang kanilang natapos, si nanay at si tatay. Pero sa kasipagan po at sa pagiging mabuting ina po namin, na tumayo po na talagang gumabay sa amin. Talaga pong masasabi ko na Hindi po talaga kami pinabayaan kahit na po kami mahirap. Hindi po kami nakakalabas ng daan na hindi po plansya yung damit namin. Talaga pong sinikap po niya kahit po sa kahirapan ay mataguyod po kami. So sa kabila din po noon, nung mga panahong yun, marami pong pagsubok sa buhay na naranasan namin. At isa na nga po doon, nung kagaya po nung binanggit na yung panganay po namin, yung kakambal ko, na-aksidente po. So yun po yung isang masasabi kong hirap po na dinaanan namin noon. Sapagkat nag-aaral po kami nung kasalukuyan, ang tatay ko po noon, ang trabaho po niya ay tricycle driver. Ano po? At ganun din po, kuminsan nakaka-sideline, nakapagbebenta po siya o nagkaka-commission po sa pagbebenta ng palay. So, sadya po talagang maraming mga kaibigan na tapat na tumulong na nataguyod po ang aming problema na yon. Bagamat wala po sa listahan ko, pero hindi ko po maiwasan na banggitin, alam ko po na napakaraming tumulong sa amin. Ang mga kapatid po niya, ng aming magulang, mga kamag-anak, ang aming po mga pinsan. Pero sa dalawang tao po na ito na talagang sinalba po kami noong mga panahon na yon. Talagang ang buhay po namin talaga noon kung hindi sa kanilang pagsalba. Wala po kami ngayon siguro sa aming mga narating. Ang una po ay si Florentino Silva, na sadya po talagang tumulong. Tinulungan po niya kami na wala pong anumang kapalit na hiniling. Nasa ospital po ang aking kapatid po noon, pero hindi po sila nagatubili, natulungan kami. Kaya maraming salamat po. Pasensya na po kung nagbanggit po ako ng pangalan. Alam ko marami kayo na nagtumulong sa amin. Pero si Florentino Silva po, ang isa sa amin nagsalba. So ang isa naman po na umuwi pa po na galing sa Japan noon, na ang pera po niya nasa brief pa dahil natatakot po na ma-hold up. Ang tito po namin si Tito Marcial. Kaya sa gabing ito po, Panginoon, ay talagang tunay at napakabuti po sa amin ng Panginoon. Sa bawat isa po sa amin na talagang wala po akong masabi na sa Kanya sapagkat lahat po ng aming inihiling ay natutupad. Bagamat hindi pa naman po ganun kami kasagana, pero namulat po kami, inulat po kami ng aming magulang na talagang tumayo sa aming sarili kahit sa kabila po na ang pagsasaka po ay napakahirap gawin. Pero tinuruan po niya kami, hindi po sa pagsasaka, kung hindi po sa itamang edukasyon ang aming binuulat. Kaya sa aking mga magulang, nanay, tatay, maraming salamat po. At dangin namin, kagaya din ng sinabi ko, na abutan niyo pa po ang apo sa tuhod. So, gayon din po sa inyo, sa lahat po na narito ngayon, maraming salamat po. At nawa, Panginoon, ay magkasama-sama tayo hanggang alas 11 po ng gabi. Naka-reserve po ito hanggang alas 11 ng gabi, kaya pwede po tayong mag-party po dito. So, alam ko na medyo mahirap dahil malayo pa yung mga inuuwian, pero pilitin po sana natin na maka-attend po hanggang sa huling sandali po ng selebrasyong ito. So, maraming uli. Salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa iyong pagdalo. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Maraming salamat po muli. That was the eldest son of our celebrators, Daddy Romy and Mommy Concepcion, Sir Romeo Makatula Jr. Can we give a warm round of applause, please, for the representative of the family? I must agree, sir, that you are indeed very blessed to have them as your parents.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it cold, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy line. You're every word, you're everything. You're a carousel, you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through. And you know that's what all love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything.
Again, my name is Jeremy, and I am Nanay Tatay's eldest grandson, and I am privileged with the honor of toasting Nanay and Tatay as we reintroduce them as husband and wife while celebrating 50 long years of marriage. May they continue to love each other unconditionally. To Nanay and Tatay, cheers.
Thank you so much, Jeremy. Can we give a warm round of applause, please, to our Toastmaster, Jeremy? And to all the guests, you may now take your seats. Gusto po ba ninyong makita ang isang matamis na halik? 3 minutes kiss daw po ang request nila. Alright. 3 minutes, tatay. Kaya pa? Alright. 1 sweet kiss, please, from the couple. Wow! Thank you very much. And to Nanay and Tatay, you may now take your seats. The sons and the daughters-in-laws of Tatay Romeo and Mommy Conching.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime!
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Don't you? Don't you?
Yeah, boy!
Father, gentleman. I'm a gentleman.
before they do their graceful exit, we would like to call them once again pair by pair at siguro naman po deserve nila ang palakpakan ninyong lahat. That's Joey and Myra. Where's Joey and Myra? Please take a bow. Take a bow, Joey and Myra. You deserve the warm round of applause. We move on to Miguel and Maricar. Palakpakan po natin. Eileen and Carlo. And a big hand for Arnel and Christy. And our last pair, Marie and Henel. Sino po ang gustong manalo ng bag ngayong gabi? Can you raise your hand? Who wants to bring home a Coach bag? Who wants to bring home a Michael Kors bag? If you want to bring home a gift from them, join me in this next game. This is a trivia. The first question is, I was told na dati po palang security guard si Daddy. Pero, natanggal po daw siya sa pagiging security guard. So my question is, what is the reason behind? Bakit po siya natanggal sa pagiging security guard? If you know the answer, join me here. Okay. Okay, what's your name?
Ronnie.
Ronnie, are you related to the couple?
Yes, family friend.
Family friend. So ano ang reason bakit natanggal siya?
Common sense. Nakatulog si tatay.
Wait lang ha, nakatulog si tatay. Ang answer ni Ronnie is nakatulog si tatay. Your name, ma'am?
Pilar.
Mami Pilar, what's your answer?
Pero yung sasabihin ko lang, tulog ng tulog.
Tulog ng tulog. Alright. Kayo po, ano pong pangalan nila?
Mrs. Erlinda Miranda.
Ma'am Erlinda, anong sagot ninyo?
Ay, nakatulog nga.
Nakatulog. The answer is all the same. Now, can I request the eldest son to join me? Sir, can you give the right answer? All right. What is the reason bakit nasisante sa pagiging security guard si tatay?
Nakatulog.
Nakatulog! Daddy, natutulog ka pala while on duty. All right. Since tatlo ang nanalo, we only need one. Okay. So, sige po, ang winner natin ay si... Okay. Since it's a tie, let's do one more question. Okay. Our question is, what is the real, yung tunay na anniversary po nila nanay and tatay? We need po the date, the month, the day, and the year. Abay po pala si Mami Erlinda. Okay. Okay, sige po. Closest answer. January ano po? Okay, here are the answers, ma'am. December 23, December, and abay po si Mami Erlinda, January 22.
January 22.
Okay, so I think we have a winner.
January 26,
All right. The real date is January 22, 26, January 26, 1964. At isa po kayo sa mga abay. Kayo po ang veil sponsor. At dahil po dyan, may regalo po kayo galing sa kanila. Can you open the gift po? Can you show the gift? Pakita po natin kung ano ang niregalo sa inyo. Wow! It's a guest bag. Yan. Sa mga gusto pa pong manalo ng kagaya nito, sumagot pa po kayo sa mga trivia questions natin later. Your message po.
Ay, nako. Thank you. Alam na alam kong January, nakalimutan ko lang ang date. Dahil ako nag-fellow eh. January 26 nga pala. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po. Okay, let's do another game. While we're still waiting for the next performers, who can bring me this time? Bring me game. Who can bring me a picture of the couple? Sino po ang may picture ng couple? If you have, I'm sure marami kayo kasi meron sa photo booth niyan. Alright. Winner, ma'am? Alright. Sir, please get your prize. Pero hindi pang girl. Sige po. Sir, please get your prize. And again, can you show your prize, please, to the guests? Sige po, pakita natin. Bagay na bagay po sa inyo yan, pula. It's a red 9 West bag. All right, sir, congratulations. It's a Christmas gift from the family. I think we're not yet ready. Your message, sir. Sir, excuse me. Sir, your message for the couple.
Ninang, happy wedding anniversary sa inyo. 50 is a milestone talaga. For me, na may asawa rin, wala akong masasabi, idol na lang. At pagpalain po sana kayo ng Diyos na may kapal na umaba ang buhay at maging huwaran po sa lahat. Thank you.
We only have 2 standing principal sponsors tonight. So may I request Mr. Mario San Buenaventura. Sir, can you join me here for your message for Tatay Romy and Nanay Conching? Pwede po ba nating palakpakan Mr. Mario San Buenaventura?
Well, sa ganitong pagkakataon, wala namang dapat sabihin. Ang sino mang magwi-wish para sa mag-asawa, kundi humaba pa ang kanilang pagsasama, kung maaari, another 50 years. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mario San Buenaventura. And we move on to the female principal sponsor, Mrs. Lenida Salvador. Are you still around, Ma'am Lenida Salvador?
Sana maging mahaba pa ang kanilang pagmamahalan.
Oh, I just wanna take you anywhere that you would like. We could go out any day, any night. Baby, I'll take you there, take you there. Baby, I'll take you there, yeah. Oh, tell me how to turn your love on. You can get anything that you want. Baby, just shout it out, shout it out. Baby, just shout it out, yeah. And if you want me to, let's make a move. Yeah, so tell me, girl, if every time we touch, you get this kind of rush. Baby, say yeah, 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 yeah. If you don't wanna take it slow, and you just wanna take it home, baby, say yeah, 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 and let me kiss you. Oh, baby, baby, don't you know you got what I need? Looking so good from your head to your feet. Come on, come over here, over here. Come on, come over here, yeah. Oh, I just wanna show you off to all of my friends. Making them drool out of chinny chin chins. Baby, be mine tonight, mine tonight. Baby, be mine tonight, yeah. And if you want me to, let's make a move. Yeah, so tell me, girl, if
Can you please give a big hand to Maridel? Take your bow, Maridel. Who's Maridel? Take your bow.